Welcome to you all genius and curious student of 12th Math of CBSE board based on NCERT syllabus. Now, in continuation of the previous video, that is to find out the differential equation of first and second order, we will start here under exercise number 9.3. Question number 7. Question number 7 is here. Form the differential equation of the family of parabola having vertex at origin and axis along positive y-axis. Here you must be aware of the nature and kinds of standard equation of the parabola, that is the axis along positive x-axis. The standard equation of the parabola will be equal to y square is equal to 4ax, and axis along with minus x-axis, the standard equation of the parabola will be equal to y square minus 4ax, and axis along with the positive y-axis will be the equation of parabola will be equal to x square is equal to 4ay, and that of along with minus y-axis will be equal to x square minus 4ay. Here in the present question it is given that the equation of family of parabola having vertex at origin, in all the cases vertex at origin O and axis along positive y-axis. Axis along positive y-axis means the equation of parabola will be equal to x square is equal to 4ay. Now we will write here x square is equal to 4ay. This will be the requisite equation of the parabola having y positive axis and vertex at the origin, that is 0, 0. Now if we take the derivative of this equation, this will be equal to 2x and this is equal to 4ay dash. 2x is equal to 4ay dash, and from this equation we will separate the value of 4a, that is the 4a is equal to 2x upon y dash. 2x upon y dash. From the first derivative of this equation of the parabola, x square is equal to 4ay means 2x is equal to 4a, this is the constant, and derivative of y will be equal to y dash. Now from this equation we easily conclude that 4a will be equal to 2x upon y dash. Now if we replace the value of 4a in this equation, we will get 2x is equal to 4a means 2x upon 4a means 2x upon y dash. This is 2x is equal to 4a. 4a means 2x upon y dash into 2x 4a y dash means, now this is from equation number 1. You may take here equation number 1. Then 4a will be equal to x square upon y, x square upon y. From equation number 1, we usually conclude that 4a means x square upon y, and from the first derivative of the parabola 2x is equal to 4a y dash. Now we will replace here from equation 1 to 2x, 4a means x square upon y, x square upon y into y dash here. This is clear. 2x is equal to 4a means x square upon y into y dash. Now again we will find the second derivative, or here we will give x will be cut by this, and this is equal to 2y upon x is equal to y dash. 2y is equal to y dash here. This means x by cross multiplication you will conclude the decision x y dash means 2y upon x. Here 2y upon x is equal to y dash. Now here 4a we may replace 4a. Now this will be equal to 2y upon xy dash. Now xy dash minus 2y is equal to 0. This will be the differential equation of the first order only, because we have eliminate the only one arbitrary constant a, that is 4a by x square upon y, and hence this will be the requisite solution of differential equation. Now in the continuation of previous question we will find out the equation of, that is differential equation of such a conics, that is ellipse, whose foci are situated along with y-axis and center at origin. According to figure, the ellipse will be like this, because foci here and here lies on the y-axis and center on the origin. Now it's clear from the figure that its major axis will be equal to twice b and minor axis will be equal to 2a. Hence the equation of ellipse will be equal to x square upon b square plus y square upon a square is equal to 1. Because this has the major axis along y positive and negative, it means this will be 2b and this will be minor axis instead of major axis. This will be 2a and this will be 2b. Obviously from the center formula of the ellipse we may conclude the equation in forms of x square upon b square plus y square upon a square is equal to 1. Now taking the first derivative of this question, we will have, or first of all we make this equation as a, by cross multiplication we have a square x square plus b square y square is equal to a square b square. Now here a square x square plus b square y square is equal to a square b square. Taking first derivative of this equation both sides, this will be equal to 2x into a square plus 2b square, sorry here will be 2x, 2b square y into y dash, and this will be equal to a square b square. This will be equal to a square b square. Now this will be equal to 0 because we will taking first derivative of this equation. Obviously this ellipse will be converted into this equation by cross multiplication. A square x square plus b square y square is equal to a square b square. Here 2x into a square, and here 2b square into 2y means y dash, and here it will be equal to, being a constant, the derivative will be equal to 0. Now 2 will be cancelled from both sides. This will be the equation a square x plus b square y dash is equal to 0, which may be converted into b square y dash is equal to minus a square x. B square y dash is equal to minus a square x, or y dash upon x will be equal to minus a square upon b square. In order to precipitating the constant in one side, this will be equal to a square x plus b square y dash. Here b square y dash is equal to minus a square x, and this will be represented like this, y dash upon x, and here a square upon b square. Now if we take derivative, second derivative, here we have a mistake has been committed here. We have left y here, a square x plus b square y dash, 2y b square y dash is equal to b square y dash y is equal to minus a square x. Now y dash upon x is equal to minus a square b square. Take. Now finding the second derivative of this differential equation of the order 1, we will get here, this is of the kind of numerator of denominator, numerator and denominator. Here we should memorize a formula, d dx of numerator upon denominator will become denominator into d dx of numerator minus numerator into d dx of denominator whole upon square of the denominator. That is denominator into d dx of numerator. This is product of 2 y into y double dash, y dash means y dash square plus minus denominator into d dx of numerator minus numerator into d dx of denominator upon square of the denominator, that is x square, and here being constant, taking second derivative, it will be equal to 0. It will be equal to 0. Now we may conclude here in short place. X square into 0 is equal to 0. It will be equal to x within the bracket y double dash plus y dash square minus y dash is equal to 0. Y dash is equal to 0. Now we will either this answer or x y double dash plus x y dash square minus y dash is equal to 0. This is the differential equation of the second order. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.